Thanks for hanging with Zainenn. It's time for another video. I always like to listen to my tunes when I'm out on my bike. So let's get going with this. Why spend gas when you could ride your bike?
I ain't giving up. They can try and tear me down, but that will never be enough. Till every bone breaks and I'm covered in blood. I'ma fight till my heart don't pump. Every night that the light don't come, I'ma rise like I'm the sun. I'ma grind my knife, I'ma shine my gun. I'ma dry my eyes, never bite my tongue. I'ma climb to the heights and I'll strike at dawn. I'm a soldier loaded, so devoted, only focused on the goals I've chosen. What is most important is forward motion. I ain't never slowing down for no more explosions. On a warship floating in the coldest ocean. Storm rolled in and my clothes are soaking. Y'all don't want a war when the snow starts blowing and my hands are frozen to the guns I'm holding. Bow.
Give up, I won't turn around. Tell them if I ain't enough, let them shoot me down. And my whole life I ran from the fight, 'cause my whole life I lost every time. But I won't give up, I ain't backing down. I ain't giving up. All my time it took too much. All that grind I kicked up dust, left you behind like, so what? I make moves, you ride my wave. I quit now, you just dead weight. No umbrella, safety's off. I'ma have to let it rain. I'm waiting for the door to open. On the other side with 2 guns loaded. Looking at the time like it's almost the moment. Cross that line, I'ma off my opponent. Condolence. Take that L and hold it. Wave that flag, you folded. You know it, you drowning in this ocean.
Usually I just ride up and go to the ATM. Didn't work out this time.
Oh, we're getting a new one.
Yeah, I saw that. All right, well, thank you guys. I appreciate it.
Ain't enough. Let 'em shoot me down. And my whole life I ran from the fight, 'cause my whole life I lost every time. But I won't give up, I ain't backing down.
Praise the Lord and pass the ammunition. I ain't giving up until they kill me or I win it. If I gotta be a soldier, I'ma be a soldier. Praise the Lord and pass the ammunition. I ain't giving up until they kill me or I win it. If I gotta be a soldier, I'ma be a soldier.
I won't give up, I won't turn around. Tell them if I ain't enough, let them shoot me down. And my whole life I ran from the fight, 'cause my whole life I lost every time. But I won't give up, I ain't backing down.
Got my errands done. Look how dirty this thing is. It's definitely time to give my bike a good cleaning. All right, it is time to clean this dirty, dirty bike. It has gotten very dirty riding on trails for a couple days, and let's clean it up. Okay, so this right here is the Goner's bike repair stand, cleaning stand. It's very heavy duty. Its max payload is 100 pounds. Link in the description if you want to get yourself one. That bike is heavy. Got it up on the rack now. So now that that's in place, let's get to cleaning. All right, so I went and got myself a little spray bottle. Now this stuff right here, you could do it with or without water. Supposedly one of the best bike washes there are, but it says when you're doing it with water, you're supposed to rinse down the whole bike. I don't want to spray down my whole bike with a hose. It's not how I'm going to do it. I'm actually going to spray on water with this and then just use a towel and go over all the surfaces. I don't know. I'm going to look more about this online before I start using it. Okay, I was looking online for something that had all the bike cleaning parts I would need, and I found this. Clearly it's Chinese, but it had everything I needed in it for a very, very good price. Number one, comes with a bike chain cleaner. Now I haven't used this thing yet. I see a lot of people using them. Basically, you put the bike chain right there, and then you turn the pedal, and it cleans it, and you put like the solution, the cleaning solution down there. Now, I'm probably not going to use this time. I'm not quite sure how to yet, so I want to make sure I get the right cleaning solution for the bike chain. So I'm just going to use water, and then I'm going to lube it up after. Next, we got a little brush that came with it. This brush is good for actually getting inside to where the bike chain is. Then we got another brush. This one's good for getting the spokes, you know, different style brush. Another bike chain brush. This is basically what I'm going to use instead of that other one. It's got a little palm brush, which I'd imagine going for over the frame. I'm not going to use this, I'm just going to use a rag. But yeah, it's there. Little mitt glove for cleaning the bike. Wire brush. I'm not quite sure what this tool is, but it comes with it. But yeah, good pack. I think it was like 20 bucks for all that. And then I looked at the prices for individually all that. It's not very cost effective, so I went with this option. and the bike is clean. Time to clean off my bags and put everything back on, and my bike is ready to ride. Alright, so my review of this bike stand. As you saw in that time lapse there, the bike fell off, almost hit me in the head, fell off twice. Now, I did find out that I was actually putting it on wrong. I couldn't find a good hold right here. This right here. So the way to do it is where that bow is, you want it on both sides of that. Because otherwise it slides up and down this right here, and it is dangerous. It doesn't really hold on. So because of the thickness difference from right here and right here, only one side of it is really actually holding on. So the way you do it is you get it here and here. Now I'm sure the the Aventon repair shops know about this, and I'm glad I could make the mistake for you, so you don't have to do it. But yeah, so all in all, it worked out really well. I just used water, I didn't use any solution, and a rag to dry it off. And yeah, this is kind of what I do to clean my bike now. I mean, as you can see, it looks great. It's back to its old glory. And yeah, I'm pretty happy with the stand overall. It did hold up. It took some feeling to get it all right, but I was able to, in the end, figure out a way to actually attach it, make it feel safe, and continue on. Now, I also had it on like the highest setting you could go, so I had to lift the bike really high, and I gotta say that the Aventon is pretty dang heavy. I suppose I should have taken the battery out to lighten the load, but I wanted to clean it with the battery in, so I guess I'm just stubborn. Appreciate you hanging with Zainenn. Have a good one.
Mm-hmm.